Introducing zip-top containers.
The world's first reusable 100% platinum silicone containers that stand up, stay open, and zip shut.
Are they perfect? No. But yes, they are perfect. With 5 patents pending, the zip-top was designed with the environment in mind. One zip-top can replace over 5,000 plastic baggies, which could save who knows how many fish. It also might save some sharks too, but for a container that doesn't need a lid, it is worth the risk. And unlike baggies, the zip-top containers are tough. Heat, cold, cars. Even kids can't destroy it. And they will try.
This is why. Give it to me.
They will always try. But you'll rest easy knowing that the zip-top can take whatever you throw at it, or in it. Need to store scalding hot soup? This laughs in the face of soup. This makes soup feel bad about itself. Look at it stand upright. Your liquids are secure now. Save your worrying for the sharks. Plus, it's easy to get excess air out of zip-top containers, which will keep your food fresher longer. Zip-top is freezer safe, microwave safe, and even oven safe. If it were any safer, we'd be calling it Mr. Rogers' Neighborhood. And when you're done, just toss them in the dishwasher. The zip-tops are fine. Easy. And because it's 100% platinum silicone, it won't leach harmful chemicals like plastics can. But maybe you're saying, hey, I like leached chemicals in my food. This product is not for you. Also, please see a doctor. And if storing your food perfectly wasn't enough, zip-tops are great for taking meals or snacks on the go. With 8 different shapes and sizes, zip-top containers can be used anywhere, even your car's cup holder. They're great for more than just holding food, too. Get weird with it. We won't judge. We love you. Need proof? Exhibit A.
Thanks, honey.
That's my sandwich. It's time to leave the outdated options behind. Save the planet and save yourself with zip-top containers. Get yours today.
This is our gift to our crowd. Let's conquer the kitchen with chef-grade, durable, non-stick, non-scratch cookware for a fair price. We don't believe in big brands and insane prices. As kitchen pirates, we have cut out all the middlemen and created a smuggling route directly from the manufacturer to our backers. The black bead frying pans and wok for every dish, every day. Black bead's lid called tricorn to control your cooking. Queen Anne's saucepans. Every dish needs a matching sauce. Concord deep casseroles, ideal for classic cooking. Each item is designed layer by layer. The outside made of solid stainless steel, mirror polished, and with strong stainless steel handles. Then a core dividing the heat throughout the whole pan. On the inside, another layer of stainless steel, which we topped off with our black bead coating, a non-stick, non-scratch honeycomb framework. The black bead Armada is suitable for all heat sources. We are looking for mates. We would be honored to launch the complete black bead Armada set together with you, sailing the smuggling route to high-quality cookware. Pre-order the black bead Armada now, and let's hack the cookware industry. Yes, we can!
Nothing, and I mean nothing, is as frustrating as watching the freshly cleaned vegetables and fruits you just rinsed fall into the sink after you've rinsed them. It's frustrating to say the least. Well, never deal with that again. In fact, the innovative Equilibric kitchen colander's amazing design solves that. The Equilibric colander reduces the amount of water needed to wash your fruits and vegetables by 60%, all the while removing twice as many contaminants. You'll never have to worry about items in the sink again because this design saves you time and frustration. Its ergonomic design keeps the vegetables upright and safe as the water bowl drains the dirty water away, cleaning your foods and keeping your clean items safe from spillage. With typical colanders, lots of dirt and other contaminants can transfer to your clean serving dishes. But with the Equilibric colander, its washing machine motion helps remove 90% of the dirt and bacteria from your foods. Place your items in the Equilibric colander to thaw and walk away. When they're thawed, simply lift the top level, then effortlessly dispose of the water in one simple motion. The colander also serves as a great serving dish for you. Drain the excess water from your vegetables and serve your fruits, vegetables or salads in the same dish. This is the last colander you'll ever need.
Introducing the new hands-free citrus juicer from Vinci Housewares. Vinci Housewares was founded in Southern California by a team of engineers obsessed with perfecting the tools we use in the kitchen. Vinci products are engineered with functionality, ease of use, and durability as the #1 goal. Our Vinci hands-free citrus juicer is the most advanced household citrus juicer available. Citrus is such a versatile, delicious, healthy ingredient, perfect for breakfast, cocktails, recipes, and even desserts. With our patented automatic juicing mechanism, all you do is slice your citrus, place it on the reamer, and press the juice button. Use it on all kinds of citrus from key limes to grapefruits. The Vinci pressure-sensitive juicing technology automatically senses the thickness of the citrus rind, giving you the maximum amount of delicious juice without the bitter taste of the rind that other juicers can't detect. We found the traditional methods of juicing citrus to be messy, inefficient, bulky, and requiring more effort. With the hands-free citrus juicer, there's no need to hold the fruit. The juicing reamer automatically raises and extracts the maximum amount of juice possible. Quickly juice any piece of citrus in under 30 seconds. And the built-in reservoir allows you to pre-squeeze 12 ounces in less than a minute. Our high-torque motor is built to withstand years of making fresh citrus juice. Juice all sizes of citrus, from small limes up to large grapefruits. And the interchangeable strainers allow for low pulp or high pulp juicing. And when it comes to cleanup, there's no hassle. All the parts are removable for a thorough and complete cleaning. And all removable parts are dishwasher safe. Get your Vinci hands-free citrus juicer now at our discounted Kickstarter introductory price. And enjoy fresh, hassle-free citrus juice all year long. Thanks for your support from Vinci.
The MASTERPAN. It's like the Swiss Army knife of pans. It's got 3 different compartments and an induction plate that works on all stoves and helps to distribute the heat evenly across the entire surface. Put some egg here, some bacon there, add some pancake, and there you have it, a full breakfast.
All in one pan.
But it doesn't just stop at breakfast. Burgers, mushrooms, potatoes, shrimp. To be honest, I didn't even know there were this many kinds of food before. For example, did you ever hear of these things called pyrogies?
It's pierogies.
I'm learning so much today.
Apart from saving you time and space, the MASTERPAN helps you control your portions. That means less food wasted. Good for your wallet, your health, and the planet.
Maybe 3 sections is just too much for you to handle right now. I get that.
That's why there's the 2-section MASTERPAN. It has a griddle and a grill with really high grill marks that keep all the grease at the bottom and let you cook on pure heat.
Maybe you're only into the grill. Maybe you wish there was a MASTERPAN with only the grill. There is, and it's called the MASTERPAN Deep Grill. It only has the grill. There truly is a MASTERPAN for everyone. All MASTERPANs are made in thick cast aluminum, which makes it durable for everyday use, and have a double layer of non-stick coating, which makes the food come right off the pan and into your plate.
They also have a removable handle. Easy to clean, easy to store.
The amazing thing about Sable is that it will save no matter how much food you've got left. So lemons, limes, oranges, avocados, tomatoes, apples, whatever you've got. If you've cut a wedge out, you can save that. If you've got a half left, you can save that. And look, it bends, and if you've only got a wedge left, it'll save that too. Let me show you what I mean. Right, so you've got a lemon. A lot of the time, you'll just cut a wedge out if you're making a drink of some description, right? And then you've got that to save. Obviously, plastic wrap's not gonna get in there, so how do you save it? Well, the thing with saving anything is you just gotta seal it, right? So you shove it in that wedge like that, and then look at that. Sealed, and it'll be good for tomorrow. So you can just stick that in your fridge as is. You'll notice that the Sable actually has a little lip on the edge here and a little drip catcher. That's so no matter what you've cut, right, you got half an orange like that, you've had that for breakfast, no matter what you've cut, your Sable here if there's a little drip coming out, your Sable will pick that up and it won't leave it all over the inside of your fridge door. So obviously, if you've got a wedge left as well, right, you can just pop it in your Sable like that, and it will save that as well. So it seals up there. Now my favorite thing, because we do this all the time at home, is an avocado. Right, so avocado, you cut it down the middle. Geez, I've done a bad job of this one, but let's just keep rolling. Right, cut it down the middle, and you're gonna use half of it. Now, obviously with the pip inside there, you need to take the pip out. Don't worry about that. It will make absolutely no difference to what's left in 2 days' time. Avocados go bad in a couple of days anyway, right? But what you really want to do is be able to save this for the next day or so. So you're going to grab that, turn it over, and this strap comes over the top and firmly holds it on there. So that locks out the air, which makes it, which preserves it for another few days. So that's Sable. To close it up, all you need to do, once it's obviously clean, is you pull that guy up, lock it in like that, and go over the top. The other little trick to remember with your Sable is that these little grooves on the side here, they've actually been put there so that you can get this top strap, pull it out of the way, and put it like that, and then get whatever you've got to put inside your Sable like that, and then hold it there, and then bring that strap over the top again. So that just makes it really easy to get something inside your Sable. Pull it over to the side, you can pull it out, right? And then that's the way you snap, lock, and it fits inside your drawer, a really small little envelope like that. So that's Sable. All 4 colors, if you got one of these as a gift, are exactly the same size, so don't worry about that. Oranges, lemons, limes, tomatoes, as I was saying before as well, and they'll fit a bunch of different sizes of avocados as well. So Sable is awesome, and I hope you enjoy it.
Silo is a completely new approach to household food storage. Just put your food in one of our BPA-free containers and press it down on the base. After a few seconds, the container is perfectly sealed, keeping air away from your food.
See, air is great for people, but not so great for food. Oxidation and aerobic microorganisms are the main reasons your food begins to spoil. Taking the air out slows all of that down.
With Silo, your food is vacuum sealed until you're ready to eat. Listen to this. That's air rushing back in. That's the sound of freshness. Even your dog will enjoy fresh food for longer. And it's quick and easy to use, even when your hands are full. When you're finished, Silo gets out of your way until the next time you need it. freeing up valuable counter space. But that's just the beginning.
Silo is so much more than extending freshness. It's about keeping track of your food.
Silo comes with Alexa built in, so you can manage your food using voice commands.
I detected new contents in the container. Please state the food inside.
Strawberries.
Strawberries have been added to your inventory. They should be fresh for at least a week.
Silo keeps track of when your food was stored, and if it's still good.
Alexa, is the chicken still okay?
The chicken should be good for at least 5 more days.
Since Silo automatically weighs your food, it always knows how much you have left, and will let you know when it's time to pick up more.
Alexa, how much coffee is left?
You have 2 ounces of coffee. That should last you for a week.
With Silo, your food lasts longer, so you'll waste less and enjoy it more.